how you doing? Last time we tempered dark chocolate, but today though, we're gonna temper white chocolate, and I'm gonna show you how. Fill in some water, make sure the water doesn't reach the bowl, and then we're gonna be melting the chocolate like this, as such. When we'll be seating using the 1/3, we're going to be lowering the temperature until we reach 28, in between 28 to 29 degrees Celsius. Looking gorgeous. Now we have the white chocolate nicely tempered. We're gonna pour this into a mold as well. Now we have the white chocolate, let's reveal them. Easy, no resistance whatsoever. Glossy, gorgeous as well, and with a snap. Beautiful. Don't panic, it's just tempering chocolate. You can do it as well, because we're doing it here. Try it out.